Welcome back. Two Russian girls have claimed that they are not happy with the investigation carried out by the state police. Both these girls claim that they have been sexually assaulted and molested by one Sunil Kumar. They have filed a case against Kumar of rape, cheating and threat to kill them.
In KPM, they're not doing anything, they not try to find any evidences. And in Kova, what happened, our officer who one only make investigation, he transferred now to Panjim.
Tell his name.
His name Mangesh. We want that our case started to make investigation and to find any evidences for proof what happened here.
Auda Viegas of Bailanso Ekwat has appealed the government to keep a close watch on coastal belt in the state.
The government needs to do a study of the coastal belt and see how many foreigners have constructed houses for Indians, and they have given the houses to them and both are living together. So what is actually happening in Goa with regard to this, there is no way of knowing, because we don't have scrutiny, we don't have monitoring, and they are like a class above us. So that has to be seen. My personal experiences of trafficked women, they do not have their passport with them. I have said this time and again, that they are roaming in Goa without their passport. If we go abroad, we have to have a passport in our bag. So what is the difference between a black skin and a white skin? And how do you monitor the movements of these people? How do you see what's going on? So this is very, very important.
Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Transport Minister Sudhin Dhawarkar has informed the House that the notification of bus fare hike would be issued by Tuesday. Ponda MLA Lau Mamledar had raised the issue of problems faced by the bus owners due to hike in diesel prices. Dhawarkar has also assured scheme providing insurance cover to bus drivers and conductors. He has also promised reservation of 12 seats for women and bus pass subsidy for private buses on the lines of KTC.
Fear and anxiety amongst the private bus owners on the increasing cost of fuel and spares, which have caused tremendous loss to the private bus operators.
The last fare hike was given in November 2011. I am pleased to announce that we have already passed this file. Notification will come by tomorrow. Second thing, as per the demand, insurance to drivers and conductors. We have already discussed this with the owner of the bus owners, and we are formulating a scheme, 50-50 basis. 50% of the insurance of drivers and conductors will be paid by the transport department, that is government, and 50% has to be paid to the bus owners. We will be implementing a scheme for tires reservation of Mahila. We have increased 6 seats to 12 seats. So there is a loss to them also, and students benefit. Whatever they give benefit to the student, per kilometer basis, we are working out the scheme. Then ticketing machine, also we will give them on monthly basis installment. Government will pay for a ticketing machine. Then honoring of past subsidies. The way what we have given the past subsidies to the KTCL, we will also honor to the private bus owners.
Two new ITI centers are proposed in Goa, one at Poruri and other at Dharbanoda. Craftsman and Training Minister Francisco de Souza informed this in the State Assembly on Monday. New ITI centers will house new courses like housekeeping and food processing. The question was raised by Ponda MLA Lau Mamledar. Members of the Legislative Assembly also stressed on the need to review the salary of ITI instructors.
10 कडेन ITIs आसा आणि टोटल 16 तरेचे कोर्सेस आसा. पण हातून खंयच फूड टेक्नॉलॉजी आणि हॉस्पिटॅलिटी आणि टुरिजम रिलेटेड कोर्सेस ना.
ह्या फूड प्रोसेसिंग हॉस्पिटॅलिटी ट्रेड्सांनी डिमांड खूब आहा आनी म्हाका दिसता आवश्यक आहा ते सगळे ITIनी जावपाक. पूण एका जाग्याची कन्स्ट्रेंट थोडी आहा. जागो जावो ताका नवे ट्रेड्स चालू करपाक आनी इन्स्ट्रक्टरूय बरें जाय. पूण इट विल बी इन अ फेज्ड वे. म्हाज्या अंदाजान 1 वर्साचो काळ जावं हेका.
Food production, hotel management, housekeeping, वगैरे हे जे ट्रेड्स आसात ते ट्रेड्सांक मागणी चड आसा. Now you have given permission for private ITIs, but the salary given to the instructors is not commensurate with what is given to the instructors in the government ITIs.
Salary structure rationalize जावपा जाय. प्रायवेट सेक्टरान सॅलरी खूप कमी आहा, म्हणजे जे त्या ट्रेड्स ते चलयता पळय तितून सॅलरी खूप कमी आहा आनी सरकारी सेक्टरान सॅलरी खूप मोठी आहा. ती लागीं पावपाक जाय. म्हाका दिसता कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर जर तो काम करता पळय तितकोच अधिकार आहा ताका बरी सॅलरी घेवपाक. हेचेर विचार करपा जाय. म्हाका दिसता सिरियसली विचार करपा जाय.
You mentioned also is that hospitality is not there. Hospitality you are doing extremely well. At Altino we have got a setup for hospitality. But I want to know from you is land is available with ITI. There is a commercial plot of 18,000 square meters lying idle. Even during my time I tried to do something, I couldn't do anything. Is why don't you have a state-of-art kind of ITI at Porvorim, which is a commercial land. Without commercial activity, you can have that concentrating in Porvorim.
दोन नवे ITI करपाचो प्रपोजल घातलो. एक धारबांदोरा, एक पर्वरी. पर्वरी आमचेकडे जागा आहा. धारबांदोरा रेव्हन्यू जमीन आमी ताब्यान ITIच्या ताब्यान घेवपा जाय. आनी सीएमा कडेन प्रश्न मांडलेले आहा की 2 ITI आमकां ह्या वर्सा सुरू करूंक जाय, म्हणजे बांदपाचें काम सुरू करपा जाय.